Yo guys, this is your artist Tolg, and today I'm back with another amazing custom drawing, this time for Alicia. Alicia wanted an A3 size drawing of Gohan and future Trunks, both super sane and both doing the Masenko. It's a great idea from Alicia with the double Masenko, and I had a great idea as well to create this cool drawing. So I wanted to do the starting pose of the Masenko on Trunks and the final pose of the attack on Gohan. And of course, you can message me on Instagram or email if you are also interested in a custom drawing. Now, let's create another amazing piece of art, hopefully, and then I will see you in the end with the final result. So make sure to subscribe, like and comment. And now, let's go.
Comma gotta get it, get it. And this is pause it for the comma and a comma and a comma got it. Comma and a comma and a comma got it. Get it, get it. Comma and a comma gotta get it, get it. And this is pause it for the comma and a comma and a comma got it. Comma and a comma and a comma got it. Get it, get it. Comma and a gotta get it, get it. And this is pause it for the comma and a comma and a comma got it. Comma and a comma and a comma got it. Get it, get it. Comma and a comma gotta get it, get it. And this is pause it for the comma and a comma and a comma got it. Comma and a comma and a comma got it. Get it, get it. Comma and a
So guys, there we have it, the final A3 size custom drawing for Alicia. The double Masenko with Gohan and future Trunks, both as Super Saiyans, and I think this drawing turned out amazing. It's very dynamic, colorful, powerful, and the poses of both are looking great. I love how the hands turn out. It was not easy to draw these poses, and the coloring took a lot of time as it's a full colored A3 size paper, but everything turned out great, and Alicia is also happy with her first custom drawing. Alright guys, now let me know in the comments what you think of this. Also give me inspiration for future videos and like the video to show me your support. You can also support me on Patreon. If you appreciate my work, that would be amazing. I will upload this drawing uncut and in full time on my real-time channel so I can follow my steps easy if you want to draw these drawings yourself, so subscribe to my real-time channel as well. Check out my online shop for original drawings and prints, and for commissions, message me on Instagram or email, and if your custom drawing fits to my channel, I will make a video out of it and mention your name in a video just like today. All the links down below in the info box, including the links to the materials I'm using. That's it guys, thank you all for watching and I see you on the next